You bumped me! You're supposed to tell the kids, welcome to the show, Bone Shaker! Oh, excuse me, and I'm downwind! Oh no! Welcome to Rousley TV, guys! We're gonna have a monster truck show! Hey, are you excited? Where's Liddy? Liddy! Hi, Liddy! You gonna have a monster truck show with us? Oh, I think you ate something bad. Some bad fuel, bad gas.
No, I ate a lot of them, maybe.
Oh!
What?
Oh, look at, there's a big skull in the front of him, hey? We have been trying a long time to get these done. Okay, buddy, let's see you do a jump. Let's see you do it. Oh, you landed your head. Ouch. Oh, Liddy, where are you going? We're going to get you with our shaker. Okay, let's see. Backwards. Oh, he did not land on his wheel. Let's go up this little ramp in the jungle. What's going to happen? Let's try this one. 1, 2. Oh, nice job. Both of them. Okay.
Both of us try. We'll try that together.
All right.
Both of us.
1, 2.
Both of us.
Well, you go first and then I'll go. Okay, 1. Oh, not yet. Okay, can you do this one? Oh, Liddy's gonna go in there. Oh, no, it didn't land on his wheels. Look at this tree. So pretty.
Hey, you're shaker.
Trees are amazing. Such a beautiful place.
Watch this, shaker.
Oh, what is it, Bone Shaker? Oh, we got Liddy's foot. Did you get your foot? Yeah. Come on, love. Come on, love. 1, 2. No.
Watch this. I can do it. Watch.
I didn't have a good release.
I can do it.
1, 2. Oh, they collided. Your guy won.
I'm still going.
He's still going.
No.
What? He's still going.
No,
Okay, Earthshaker, come on. You can do it, buddy. 1, 2. He did a flip and then kept going. Cool. 1, 2. Whoa! I thought he was going to jump it.
I'll try.
Okay, let's see if your guy can do it.
Watch.
Let's see, 1. Oh, and he landed on his wheels. He works so good.
Ow.
Logan has the technique. Come on, babe.
No.
Yeah, come on. Come on. Big jump. Oh! We found this cool ramp in the forest for bikes. Let's see how far I can get. Earthshaker, here we go. 1, 2. Oh, not very far at all. You can do it, Earthshaker. Oh! Lydia's trying to do the ramp. Uh-oh, we're colliding. You move.
No, I'll come this way.
Okay, I'll jump over your head. And Liddy, are you going down the ramp, honey? You gotta be careful, love. Oh, he landed on his wheels. Okay, you try. Oh, did you see that? It was cool. Neat. What are you doing back up there? Should we go find some more bike ramps?
No.
I think so.
How about
That just says a whole bunch of spiders to me. Let's go! Oh, she found a rock. You found a rock? Oh, what a pretty rock, Liddy. Are you gonna line it? Oh, okay, you're gonna with those ones? Oh, you took another rock. You have 2 rocks. You have 2 rocks. You gonna pick it up? Yeah. You like your rocks? Maybe we paint them later, yeah? Oh. 1, 2. Oh, I thought he was gonna make it. Let's see. Oh, you did it with your foot. Let me see if I can do it with my foot. Okay. 1, 2. Oh, he actually did pretty good, didn't he? Yeah, a little bit. Look at all the leaves. Fall is definitely here. Let's have a race on this awesome ramp. Okay. Oh, that was so cool. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. You keep beating me.
Yes! Look, I turned around.
Bro, got your feet. Ah. Bro, got your feet again. You fine. Is that fun? Is that fun? Yeah? Wiggle, 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 wiggle. You ready to go, Liddy? Come on, let's go, Liddy. Let's go, Liddy. You want to play with him? Come on, rev him on the ground. Can you do it? Can you do it? I know you can. That's a girl. Yeah, yeah. You can do it. Yeah, good. Try again. What was that, Bone Sugar?
I don't feel far.
You're so far.
Yeah, like right there.
Ah.
I'll tell you where I crashed.
Okay, where did you crash? Right there. Uh-oh. Are you coming? Fine. Are you giving me a leaf? Aw, thank you. Thank you for the leaf. Do you want to carry it? Give it to Logan. Can you give it to Logan? Aw, very nice. You gonna give it to me again? Oh no, she wants you to have it. I think someone loves their big brother. Oh, thank you. You gonna give Logan a hug? Can you give Logan hugs? She's like, no, I'll just give him a flower. Twist it. Yeah, I love you. Oh, I love you too. Oh, family hugs. Family hugs. Love you guys. Love you guys.
Hug me.
Can Logan have a hug? Oh, you guys are the best, honestly. Aw. Sweet kids. Aw. Don't forget Bone Shaker. Oh, okay, let's see what happens with these guys. Nice. Okay, Earthshaker's turn. Yeah. Whoa. Nice. They both landed on their wheels. Pretty good. You want some strawberries and grapes too, Luke? Yeah. Have a healthy snack.
You want a bite?
Oh, I certainly do. Oh, nom 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 nom. Strawberries are so good for you, and so are grapes. Yummy, healthy snacks. She's like, oh, that's so yummy. So sweet. Okay. You gonna put the lid back on? You want me to do it? Okay. You want to put the lid on? You can do it. Yeah, flip it over. Oh, she's like, I'm not ready. Are you ready to flip it over? I don't know what she wants. Mmm, yummy. Oh, look at the other cool. Look at this one, Logs. Hey, are you ninjaing down here? Be like stealth Logan. Okay, Ninja Logan. Okay, let's try this guy. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Whoa, that was so cool. Oh, he landed on the platform. I didn't think he was going to. You're missing it, Ninja Logan. Oh. Here, do you want to try this one? Try our shaker. One, two. Oh, I don't know what would happen if your shoe wasn't there. No, Liddy, you don't have to climb up here. Oh, he fell off again. Okay, let's see. Ribbit. Oh.
I'm gonna go get him.
Okay. You guys want to watch? Yes, we do. He's going to come down here and do a jump, that guy. So we're going to stay here because he's going to come pretty fast. And here he comes, here he comes. Was that awesome or what?
He's gonna do it again.
I don't think so. Pretty cool, hey? But as you get more and more experience driving your bike, riding your bike, one day you'll be able to do that cool jump that guy just did.
Maybe I'll go over that bridge and then down.
Yeah, maybe. Try that side. You're going to try that side. You're going to try that side. I'm going to try this side. 1, 2, 3. Oh! I think I super revved my guy. I can't believe that guy did this jump though, hey?
Yeah.
That must have been a lot of adrenaline that he was experiencing.
Right?
No, I've never seen a biker do this jump here. I'm not that brave. Yeah, anyways, are you gonna try and do the jump, Liddy? I'm getting a headache. I keep falling. Thanks, kids, for watching the show today. We hope you enjoyed yourself. I was Earthshaker. And this is Boneshaker. Bye! Bye! Have a great day! Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time!